Hi, it's Charles Elwood. I'm back and follow me on LinkedIn. I'm going to post updates every week. My YouTube channel, I'm posting all my old videos. And once again, I'm just documenting all my mistakes so you don't have to if you venture into Power BI or starting your own business. But the other thing I'm doing is documenting this crazy journey. Growth has been surreal and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So hopefully you can start your own journey too. So one of the most common questions I get asked about Power BI is it really free? And then, I've kind of wondered too, if it's free and it's in 95% of, as they claim all the Fortune 500 companies, I still get a lot of people that have never tried it out, have never downloaded. So here, I just did a quick Google search for download Power BI. So, the main route is if you see here, the desktop version is free. So there's a cloud service version, kind of an online version. And if you share in that platform in the cloud, it costs a little bit of money. But if you go here and you go download for free and you go through their app service, the Microsoft Store, you can download it for free. And I do believe if you go down this route, it keeps it updated for you. So the second way to download, if you search for download Microsoft Power BI, this is for those of you that don't want to log in and set up an Outlook or Microsoft account. You can go here, but it says if you doesn't start download manually, and then you have to cut and paste link to the installer file, and that will take you to the download here. You can pick your language and then 64-bit or 32-bit version. So that's that route. I do believe this version doesn't update automatically. So the really interesting thing is Power BI Desktop is pretty much updated almost monthly. Sometimes, they want to add a few more things and it gets delayed a little bit. But this is if you really, really need an old version. Somebody gives you a PBIX file that's an older version, or there's some companies that like to test and don't want the latest and greatest right away. If that's the case, you can search for prior archives and updates, and you can download the older version so that way you can open the file. So that's it for this week. Next week, I'm going to show you how to import your first data set from the web. And then the following week, there's actually some pricing options, capacity-based. That's more kind of for the advanced or larger enterprises. So I'm going to talk about all the different pricing options.